We've got sweet, savoury, a nice kick of spiciness and bags of umami flavour in these Vietnamese-style caramelised minced beef rice bowls. It's comfort food with bags of flavour. Plus we're going to be adding a few extra toppings to take it to the next level. So let's get cooking. I'm going to start with one of the toppings, which is pickled red onion and carrot. To a shallow bowl, add a very thinly sliced small red onion, plus a large peeled carrot that's been sliced into very thin strips. We're going to drizzle over 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar or white wine vinegar and then sprinkle on half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all together and then put to one side. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a large frying pan and heat over a medium to high heat. We're going to add 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of minced beef, and fry that all together for about 5 to 6 minutes, breaking up any large pieces as you go until that beef is lightly browned. Now add in 3 minced cloves of garlic and then 3 red or green bird's eye chillies that have been sliced, plus 2 teaspoons of lemongrass paste, and stir it all together again. And now for the caramelised bit. We're going to add in 6 tablespoons or 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. Stir it all together and fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, still over that high heat, stirring often until the beef starts to darken and caramelise. And to finish that beef off, we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, plus 5 spring onions or scallions that have been sliced. And we're going to stir all that together. I love that golden dark minced beef with those vibrant spring onions. Turn off the heat and now we're ready to serve. I love to serve this caramelised beef on top of some fluffy boiled rice and then top it with some chopped cherry tomatoes and some chopped baby cucumbers. And we're going to finish off by adding those quick pickled carrots and onions that really complement the sweet, salty and slightly spicy minced beef. Sprinkle on a few sesame seeds and you've got a meal that's ready in 30 minutes. I know this might not be traditional Vietnamese, but this is my take on this delicious dish and it is truly fantastic. It comes together so quickly. See you next time.